Hello and welcome back to the Feather Cottage with Dee. I have been busy crafting. I'm off work today and trying to get things done up and videos made. But this video is about the challenge that I'm participating in. From Arlynn's Country Craft Corner, I messed it up, got it right that time, and Kim's Sweet Daisy Creations, Fall Lantern Challenge. And the requirements were that you had a lantern, a tray, a bow or swag or some type of floral in that all blend together. So I've had a lot of fun. I ended up making 2 funky bows to go on my lantern. I made this lantern and tray and all for my coffee table. But when you came in the room, you could see the back side of the lantern. Well, that was fine for what I have inside the lantern. You could see really cute. But I didn't like how you just saw the back of the other bow. So I ended up making an extra bow. So I'm going to turn my camera around and show you what all I've been busy doing today. This is the view you see when you come in from my dining room into my living room. And this is why I said I wanted to make the other bow, because you could see the whole back side. And my little bear in his little red wagon with his harvest. I love that, but was not happy seeing the back of the bow. So let me explain my bow. It has Happy Fall ribbon. It has pumpkins. It has candy corns. I put some grapevine and pitberry in the center so it will show from both sides. And then this is the bow on the front side. If you sit down on the sofa, you see my little teddy bear in his little red wagon, and he's been out harvesting his pumpkins and candy corn. I had to use the ribbon because it was just too cute and whimsical, and just was able to put that together and make it really cute and something interesting to see when you're sitting here on the sofa. And there's my bow again. And the rest of my tray, because this is just sitting on our coffee table, I have my Bible study. Amazing Bible study, guys. If you're looking for a good Bible study, I highly recommend Discerning the Voice of God, How to Recognize When God is Speaking by Priscilla Shear. And then my little candlesticks over here. Well, that is my lantern and fall tablescape that I made for my coffee table. I really had fun putting all the pieces together when I got my little red wagon that my daughter picked up for me this past weekend at a craft fair in Indiana. It just all fell into place. I really was wanting to use that candy corn ribbon, and I thought I was going to have to use it for Halloween, but it worked out perfect in there, I think. So I really am happy with this. I think it's going to be something that when you're sitting here on the sofa that puts a little smile on your face as you sit there and look at it. Well, I appreciate you coming by the Feathered Cottage with Dee, and I would love to know what part, if anything, in my lantern, my tray, my bow, that you liked the best or that you thought maybe needed some improvement. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to become part of the Feathered Cottage family. And if you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading new videos. For all the ones that have subscribed so far, thank you so much. It just puts a smile on my face every morning when I get up and I see that I have new subscribers, that somebody actually thinks I'm doing good. That makes me feel good. Well, I'm going to tell you goodbye, and I've really enjoyed this. And Arlynn and Kim, thank you again for all the challenges you've done. They have been a lot of fun. I've really enjoyed getting to stretch my creativity that I haven't done in a while. We'll let you go, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, you all have a blessed week, and thank you again for stopping by the Feathered Cottage with Dee. Bye-bye.